Hey guys, welcome to Indie Game Hustle. In this video for UModeler X, we're going to take a look at the push-pull tool. Now keep in mind, this particular tool can only be found in the UModeler X Plus version. This is the new basic and then plus version that is now released since UModeler X beta is no longer. So you have the basic and then you have the plus. Now with the plus, you're going to get some new features and you're going to get some new different tools that will be helpful during your modeling. And so the push-pull tool is part of that. All right. So head over to the Unity Asset Store and take a look at that option. All right. So in order to use the push-pull tool, let me demonstrate how that could work. I'm going to go ahead and create a cube here and grab my box tool. And I'm just going to go ahead and click and drag this out just like so. All right. And so say, for instance, you're in a situation where you want to put a hole through this object. Well, you could normally use like a Boolean operation. But what if you have a particular shape that you want to use? So for instance, what I'm going to do is go ahead and draw a rectangle within this shape. So I'm going to go ahead and draw directly on this object. All right. And then now I'm going to take the disk tool and go ahead and draw there. And I'll also grab this stair tool here and draw some stairs. All right, and let me go ahead and increase the stair height and go ahead and do that like so. All right, and so now we have these three different shapes and I want to create a hole to punch through to the other side. Now to do that, what we can do is go down into the add section or the add group. And here is where you say push pull. Now, what I'm going to do is make sure I have glue on to make it easier to select an edge where I need to stop. So I'm going to select that and I'm going to click. As you can see, it's highlighted. I'm going to click and drag, and even though you can't see it, as you can see, it turns green when I hit that edge, and I need it to stop right there. Because if I don't, and if I go like this, it doesn't create that punch through style. What I want to do is click and stop right there at the edge. And when I do that, it actually creates a hole for me. Now I can continue to do this as well. So I'm going to go ahead and push through here. And I'm going to stop at this edge. And there we go. And we can do the same thing for this here. Just like so. Great. And so now I've pushed through there and we have some holes based on the design that we wanted. Now, say for instance, I created an arch here as an example. And so say you created an arch and you want to do the same thing. So what you would do is simply have your arch and you can go ahead and select the push tool, click, drag, and select right there at that edge. There you have it, just like so. All right. So I hope that was easy. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.